Can you believe if we can make this video using AI? Not only just this video. This video is completely made with AI and which is called OpenAI Sora. So this is their website. So with this new AI, you can just type the text and you can type the background and everything. You can just give it as an input and the AI will generate it for you. See, not only this, let me show you another footage. This is a perfectly made video. It's a mammoth approaching, with the snow. The third one, let's see. It's also made with the AI. Can you see? It's so real. If you have to make it in real, you may have to spend lots of money. But like with the AI, you can just type the description and this will generate this video for you. Isn't it so cool? Also, not only that, you can also made a natural footage. This isn't real, it's generated by AI. Also see, this is also generated by AI. And above that, there is one more. So this is a old Californian footage during the gold rush. This has been generated with AI. This looks so real. It's like a classic movie script. So see, you can see the horses and men and the water. Everything is so real. It's all made with AI. So it's all possible with openai.com/Sora. But like, please do remember, it's not for everyone. They are only given access to very few people. Sora is becoming available to only red teamers. So it's like whoever wants to test and they have selected a small group of people and they have given access to them. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for listening. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.